bensound.com. bensound.com.
Hello. Good evening.
So when did you start this company?
Triphase was kind of conceptualized in 2006. June of 2006, we registered in India in 2006. Then we did not do something for some time, but when we came back from Canada to India, in 2011, we actually became functional in Hebbal Industrial Area in Mysore. We started off in a very small way with hardly 4 employees, that including me and my wife and 2 people from Bangalore. And then we had the plant done, R&D labs done, invested a little bit of money in that, took debt from the bank, cleared the debt as well. So our journey has been since 2011 till date, and we are happy to say that we filed 3 US patents, 2 US patent, a Canadian patent and the European patent. The US patent was granted in 2018, August, and at the same time we got invested in, Triphase got invested in 2017-18. We're still going with that investor, and hopefully by 2023-2024 we should be opening an IPO, hopefully.
About your product, probiotic.
Probiotics are a live bacteria. When taken in adequate amounts, they give a good benefit to the health of a human being. Basically, this is all gut microbes that are already in our system, that if we abuse our body, like with alcohol, pizza, coke, those gut bacteria die. So we are replacing that to make you back healthy again. So all these things kill the bacteria in our stomach. So we get upset, we get stomach upsets, we get depression. Everything is in the gut. So if you keep your gut healthy, you are healthy.
About your product, that it's different from the regular market.
Yes, our strains are the world's first thermostable strains. They are all non-GMO. They can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees centigrade. That's why our patent was assigned by the USPTO. We don't see, normally all probiotics, all bacteria have to be refrigerated. Ours do not require any refrigeration. It's easy to manufacture. The normal fermentation process lasts from anywhere between 18 to 48 hours, but ours can stop at 16 hours and you get the product out.
So can you tell me some of the practical applications of this?
Practical applications of probiotics is mostly in the gut, basically building immunity in the body, restoring a gut back to a normal gut flora, populate more flora. The other uses of, normally it's used for the gut, but right now we are working on bacteria that are used for postbiotics and psychobiotics that reduce depression, moderate the depression in the system. We have something called, it is also used for bringing down the symptoms of autism and stuff like that. As research is still being done, we are not there yet. But hopefully in the next couple of years we should get there. I mean, the market is, it's a huge market. It's almost a $60 billion market. So we are not there. Hopefully we should get at least 2 to 3% of the share. We are happy on that.
Can you talk about your R&D, sir?
As I said, we set up the R&D lab in 2011 in Hebbal Industrial Area. We were just with a basic microbiology set, a little bit of chemistry work. But later in 2014, we started working on temperature stable probiotics, because that was the market pain at that time. Everybody was charging a lot of money to sell this probiotics. So we came upon the idea that why can't we make it cheaper and why can't we do something about it? And you need to add extra, in the terms we call it overages. We have to add at least 200 to 300 times more for it to reach your system. So in the product that we have made now, you don't need to add extra stuff, so the cost benefit is passed on to the consumer. So you don't have to refrigerate it, there is no entry coating, there is no encapsulation, it survives the gastric juices in the stomach. So basically it is a well R&D product. We're working on the marketing part right now. Hopefully we should get it out in the market soon.
How are these products consumed by?
They're consumed in various, it could be consumed in a food matrix or via capsules. So right now we're working on the food matrix, like you can use them in, we've tested our products on cake, baked stuff, and we baked bread using our product at 240 degrees and still 60% survived. So that shows that we've made a breakthrough, but we can do much better than that.
Future research pipeline, there have been diabetics, immunities, and
My future pipeline, right now we have done 4 heat stable strains. 2 will be licensed and 2 we will keep for ourselves to work on further. And we are working on other strains, and the product pipeline will be using those strains into various food matrix like capsules, then gummy bears, then any other stuff. You can basically put it into anything you want. But right now we feel the food matrix and the gummy bears and the capsules are the better fit. Acceptance rate is better.
so can you tell me something about cancer immunity?
Cancer immunity is that's a tricky subject. There are a lot of people working on it, and we are working on it as well. A lot of people don't understand that people do not die from cancer. They die from the lack of immunity during a cancer chemotherapy. So when we give our probiotics during cancer, it brings up the immunity, settles the gut, settles the stomach. So there's a lot of vomiting, there's a lot of hair loss during chemotherapy. So our probiotics are given every 3 weeks, immediately after or before chemotherapy. So it allows the patient to handle that strong chemicals that has been pumped into his body, so he doesn't get sick faster. At the end of the day, it's a terminal illness. There is no cure. There is a cure, but in probiotics, there's still a lot of work to be done before we can do that. So right now, only we can manage symptoms, and we can, give the cancer patient a quality of life to kind of live a little bit longer and not see the harsh effects of that chemotherapy in his system. Psychobiotics, as I tell, to treat depression, people who have been into depression. And as I said, there is something called a chemical serotonin. What happens is, it is there, it resides in our system, right? So the gut bacteria allows the serotonin uptake into the body. So with that, there is no serotonin in the body, there is no serotonin that goes into your brain. You will feel depressed, you will have a lot of other effects. Autism is another thing. You have Alzheimer's, you have Parkinson's. All these things can be treated with probiotics, but people are still working on it. We are also working on it. Hopefully, we should be able to get some result in the next 2 to 3 years on those. To see something, then we do clinical trials, preclinical trials. We test it on animal model first, see the effects, and then do human clinical trial to see how the medicine is reacting to a patient who's got Alzheimer's. Is he going to forget? Is he going to remember what's happening? So unless we do that, we don't know. Right now, people are in the US are working on it, but it's still there.
Sir, your future of this next product, sir?
Future of, as I said, I have right now 2 more strains in the pipeline, and hope to bring out another 2 more products using these 2 strains probably in a year or so, probably next year. Next year, March onwards, we'll start working on those. It will take some time because we have to do stability studies on capsules before we can put them in the market. So we are doing preclinicals right now on rat model on those 2 strains. So once we have some data coming back from the third-party agency who is doing this for us in Mysore, we will be able to ascertain the dosage to be put into the capsules. And once we have that, we probably will go ahead and do the human clinical trials. So by the time we get human clinical trials done, get approval from the drug control board, it will take some time. So we are planning to launch it in the outside the country first. India will take some time because the knowledge and exposure to probiotics is just upcoming right now. People know about it, but they're not aware of what it can do, what it does. So it will take some more education before we can introduce it in the country. Right now, gummies, we are doing gummies right now. I think that for India, I think gummies will start off with the gummies, but capsules and in the capsule or in the tablet form will come a little bit later. But it will come.
So, after consuming, how is the result?
There is one, during our initial years, we have administered, like it was on an emergency basis to given to a doctor who was delivering a baby. And when the baby was born, she was having a lot of diarrhea and all those things. So the doctor called us at 2 o'clock in the morning and said, can you help us? This baby will pass away because her diarrhea is so bad. Will your probiotics help? At that time we were still new, we did not know, we were scared to administer to a baby because administering to a human is a different, administering to a small infant who was born 6 hours ago is completely a scary issue for us. But anyway, we gave a bunch of powder, we at least gave 10 grams to the doctor to see how it works, and thank goodness and thanks to God that baby survived, and that's good news for us. I mean, it tells us that the stuff works.
So, are you expanding your business, your company?
We will expand our business, yes. Right now, our investor is putting up a plant in Mysore next to the Reserve Bank of India. It's still under construction from a couple of years ago. Hopefully it should be complete by next year, July. I think it should be done by that time. But just the construction is not enough. We need to do the validation of the equipment. We need to do production trials. A lot of work is there after the plant is built. So we're not there yet. So the certification has to come. For us to sell in the international market, the plant has to be audited, certified by the US FDA, certified by NSF. Unless we have the certifications in place, it will take some time. But there are manufacturing contract manufacturers outside the country where we can get this done immediately to save time, and the faster we go to the market, the faster our revenue goes up.
So thank you for talking with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All the best.
Thank you very much.